Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can chat with Google Apps available from Google on PC. So you can chat with Google Apps, that's Google Chat apps. So you can find it on Google Chrome and select the grid icon in top right corner and select the chat. Or you can type, just enter the chat.google.com in the part search bar and appears, and you can download the Google Chat standalone. Just click on the install button in a search bar at right here, but I already downloaded. Alright, so you can just start a chat. Click start and select people using email address. For example, just click start chat, just write your message and just send. Okay, that's how you can start chat with Google Apps available. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.